How are you? I hope you are studying well. My name is Prasad Kumbar. I am from Trinity College of Engineering and Research, studying in second year Computer Department. Hey guys, today I have made this video especially for you freshers. I am going to explain to you the features of this scientific calculator from Casio. Now we will see the features of this scientific calculator. First of all, we will on this calculator. Now we can see menu setup button, which is exactly next to the on button. There are varieties of functions in this calculator which will help in academic, such as calculate, complex, Bayesian, matrix, vector, statistics, distribution, spreadsheet, ratio, inequality, equation and function, and table. Now you must be thinking guys that it is difficult to handle, but when we will be used to this calculator, it is the easiest calculator I have ever seen, because I had experience. I have passed out through first year, so I will suggest guys that this calculator is the best calculator. Guys, you can also see the display of this calculator. It is one of the best texture I have ever seen. It's looking very cool. Everything is printed very clearly so that it can be easily to be handled. Now guys, you can also see there is direct log function, so that we can get direct log of anything which we want. There is also integration function, so that no need to calculate it, directly enter the value so you can get the answer. Now guys, we will do speed test of this calculator. So we will do equation. I will start the stopwatch. Now we will do equation. X to the power 2 from 2 to 100. Guys, it just took 15 seconds. It is just unbelievable. Guys, I want to show you another feature of this calculator. So now we will see equation. We will choose polynomial degree 2. Okay, now we will insert variables. Here is the answer. But if you want to overview of this equation, so we can do this from this option, shift plus opt. So we will get QR code. Guys, just think you are getting QR code on its calculator. Casio company has an app known as Casio Edu. From this app we can scan QR code of this calculator. Now let's see guys. Now we will open in browser. Within the fraction of second we are getting the what was our equation. We can also get the graph. Just imagine guys how the technology has been created by this Casio. Apart from this FX991 ClassWiz is the best calculator. Many professors, faculty and senior students recommend this calculator. I would like to conclude that if you have to solve your problems in minimum time, so this calculator is the best calculator I have ever seen. Fastest calculator. And guys, this comes with 3-year warranty like other scientific calculators. It is included with this hard support, which is very hard, unbreakable. So guys, as your curriculum is starting in any field, engineering, commerce, this calculator is the best calculator.